Hear this, Jamaica. The JLP government is getting results. Crime down, roads up, future bright.
Hello guys, welcome back again to another video, Jamaican series. Hey guys, it's election time very soon. That is why we are on top of Jamaica. Hey, I am the Labour Party, the Green, the JLP of the PM, Mr. Holness of Jamaica. You know, some people, you don't know why I'm always happy when you see me. I'm talking about this Jamaica. It gives joy when you make video, when you see something good and you say something about it, and then you see a lot of people appreciating it. And that is why, guys, I'm using this moment, this particular time. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel, for your love, for your kindness. I saw your comments. You know what? They were coming woto. I wished I could speak Jamaican patois. I would have been telling you people wagwan. You know how they think go all the time, but slow by slow, every day we are going to learn everything, like the one they say trouble the day. You understand how the banger. So thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your love. And if you are new to my channel, guys, kindly subscribe and be part of the Black Beauty TV. Now our video of today is to see how your fellow Jamaicans, our sons and daughters of the soil, how they are reacting towards their prime minister, how they are showing him love, how they are, in fact, a lot of people, that guy is loved in Jamaica back to back. But I want you to remember something. They say 99 people will love you, 99 might hate you. So definitely there are people in that Jamaica that don't like him, but a lot of people, they say it is the majority of the people that carries the vote. Me, based on my own experience, looking on social media, not only on YouTube, if you go to TikTok, if you go to Facebook, if you go on IG, and here on YouTube, you will see a lot of people back to back, how they are loving your prime minister because of his simplicity. I have seen the other party, me, you know one thing, I just don't want to put myself, but if I saw this PN whatsoever, even from the color alone, you know how they tingle, you understand? So I want those guys, there's one elderly woman, she said that, in fact, since she has been in Jamaica her whole life, she has never seen a prime minister like Mr. Holness, Mr. Holiness of Jamaica. And that is why she is saying that she will, even in anything that this guy want, any help that this guy want, she can even sell her house. Her house. You know how houses are very expensive in Jamaica. She said she can sell her house and use the money to, in fact, to help or to protect, or how do I say, to support PM of Jamaica. Let us watch the reaction of these guys. We'll be saying something little and then we'll move. But before anything, if you have not liked the video, guys, I love likes. If you have not liked the video, kindly like the video of the Black Beauty TV, and we move with our JLP. Even we move with our Labour Green party. I hope this PNP, if I come to Jamaica, I hope you people will not come and be buying me. If you are there, you want to buy me, my Green party, they are there for me. You understand? So, you know, if you do me anything, you cannot do. In fact, I will come to Jamaica and enter with my full chest, because the Labour Party is going to be in power. Let's watch, guys. Thank you so much.
PNP can't get my vote, you're crazy. I want Southeast.
The love runs so deep. This woman says if the Prime Minister ever needs help,
Me, would I sell me house and take the money and back him? Because me have him back straight. Because he's the best prime minister me never see on earth. Yeah, man. Me back him and go live on roadside.
So you guys, a shout out to all of you, the supporters, JLP supporters. What do you hear that woman said? She said she's going to sell her house and stay outside and use the money to support the prime minister. You will not be disappointed, mommy. You are not going to be disappointed, because if the prime minister is already giving people home now to stay, I'm 100% sure he is not going to forget you, that he will sacrifice your own home and be on the street in order for him to be back on the seat, because you want the good for your country, Jamaica. Is that not something good, guys? We are going to be watching these videos, and then just little by little we say something and we move ahead. So let's go and watch another clip again.
Tell me some more go on if you do this and beat the dear Prime Minister. This is genuine love, heart of love. And that's how we regard this man, because this man is transforming Jamaica into a first world country, and there's nothing Marky British can do about it. And also there's a man that is going around baptizing PNP, converting them to Labour right, and it is a great day, me and young. I hold for respect for this Virginia, so, and trust me, I can ensure that all of my family come election day, come put them hink in your name, my father, because you is the next, heartbreak. You is the next big star in this party. You is the next big star in this Jamaica Labour Party. The man for the people, the man for the youths, them ensuring that these youths are educated so them can find themselves in life and make something out of life. Heart of love and heart of respect, Mr. Young.
Guys, if you are here as I'm watching that video, I'm just smiling. I'm asking myself, I say, what is making me to smile? I didn't know this man like this for a very long time, but I don't know. We know you just like somebody when somebody is doing something good. So I don't even know when I'm just smiling, because the love is too much for this guy in Jamaica. Hey, PNP, you people have to tie your bell very, very well, because it's gonna be something very, very hard. It's gonna be a very hot election. So you're going to try harder. I saw their head is dancing with belly. Hey, come and see dancing. I say, Baba, you're supposed to be relaxing small, but anyway, it is what it is. This is politics. As I will always say, no politician is 100%, but at least better to have the half angel than the whole devil. That is what me, the Black Beauty TV. Look at the love in Jamaica. Let's go, guys, again and watch another.
Yes, this is a message of Andrew Holness. I have a burning issue. I'm going to talk on my platform. I'm going to state my mind. The last time somebody state their mind, then get locked up. So hopefully, I not get locked up for what I'm about to say right now. You understand? I don't know if this safe, but as I say, this is my platform. You know, as these people, when time them are going up power, then promise to the world, then promise to this and then promise to that. I say me, I have never voted for no other party but PNP. I grew up in a PNP home, so I've never voted for no other party but PNP. Mr. Holness, you promise, so we are going to get prosperity when you're in a power. When you're in a power, you go promise you prosperity. And from what I'm seeing, we are definitely seeing prosperity. I have never seen a prime minister give people in community like the poor people nice houses, concrete structures, nice solid house. Me not tell you like me don't live in one of them. All me always see at the little board shackle them. Mr. Prime Minister, you are doing a tremendous job. I like how you interact with the people in the community. That's how we like when they're young and vibrant, because they take part in everything. I like how you interact with everybody. I like how you make everybody just come around the people, not afraid to hug you. You just for the people. And I like that, Mr. Prime Minister. So big up yourself. Prosperity, we say. And I'm telling the honest truth. When I'm coming to Jamaica, I think I'm gonna change. I think I'm voting for the Green Party.
Me like to how you are interacting with the people. Do you know something, guys? You know, a lot of people be like, ooh, why is she always like crazy about this Jamaican PM? Some people even say maybe I'm in love with her, I'm admiring the man. I say, who will not love a fine man? And it's not even that one. Something that really catch my attention to that guy. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. I've never said, I've said it in my video, in so many of the videos, exactly what this woman is saying. That is, you can hear it from her. She was a supporter. She has been voted for PNP for a very long time. You understand? She has been voting for them for a long time. But after this Mr. Holness entered power, and she begin to see how he's interacting with the people, going to the people, because he is there for the people, not for himself. So he goes to his people. He goes there to see. That is the thing that really catch me. It catch me from, you know, when you are a politician, you also know how to catch your followers. If you don't know how to catch your followers, you can forget about politics. So this guy, he knows how to really catch he knows what the people want. He was born, brought up inside the people. In St. Catherine, if I'm not making mistakes. You understand? As we are doing Jamaican politics, small, you know, backyard, small politics, we don't want to enter inside. From there, we are knowing small. Before I enter Jamaica, before I travel to Jamaica, I must have known all the parishes in Jamaica. You understand? Because this thing I'm doing to myself is also knowledge. It's not just coming here to talk. So you see, this woman from Jamaica, exactly my point that I always say. You are there for the people, and this guy, you can't imagine yourself that almost all his videos, if I don't see him, he's hugging kids, he's with children, he's with the poor people, he's visiting people in their home. Even if you want to pretend, for how long? Even if somebody is pretending like that, oh, I just want to do it for politics, it's not something that you will be doing. And if you have been watching him, I can even go and dig his old videos. If you have been watching his old videos before this politics or this election time, he has been doing it. You understand? And then I watched the comment section when where this woman posted her video on TikTok. I watched the comment section. Some people were even telling her that, oh, they paid her. Just like me now that I'm in Germany, and I admire what the PM of Jamaica is doing. Are you going to tell me that he paid me? Where did he see me and where is he paying me? I'm here in Germany. I just follow him on IG. I don't know whether it's coincidentally or mistakenly I started following this guy. I think there's one Kenyan guy that is following. No. Yeah, a Jamaican living in Kenya who is following me. We are following each other on IG, and he's following the PM. And I think it's from him. I saw something like that. Then I just say, let me enter inside and see what is happening in this Jamaica and all that. And then only for me to see this PM. And the first thing that really catch my attention is him providing homes for poor people. Guys, if you have never been poor in your life, and if you have never been outside or never had a home, or maybe you were born into poverty that even one room you people cannot provide, or let's say maybe you are 3 kids, you are living in one room with your mom. If you are not born into that condition, you will not understand and you will not appreciate. And you look at these beautiful homes he presented well. In fact, with tiles and everything, bathroom, everything shining. It doesn't even look like, oh, this is like social home. People can just say, oh, at the end of the day, just for poor people, let's just make these homes. But he put the work in those homes. So for poor people or elderly people that have given up in life and never knew that they could have a beautiful, clean home, clean environment, and then you presented that home to them, you could see the joy. And if you have passed through those things, as I've said, that is the thing that really catch my attention. I said, no, it's something very good, because there are a lot of homeless people all over the world. People don't know. Even in Europe, there are homeless people. Or there's something we were discussing about, a video we saw online about Jamaica. People talking that, oh, there are, here is not safe, here is gangs, here also. Everywhere in the world is not safe. Even here in Germany, where guns are out of bound, people still use knife to do things they want to do with other people. Crime, corruption, all these things are happening all over the world. You understand? But it is obvious in some countries or in some places, because of the standard of living and because of the poverty rate, or how do I even put it? That is why we see some of the things in other countries. Obviously, it doesn't mean that Western world, in fact, the crimes that are sometimes even in the Western world is worse. Like I mean, like in Europe, for example, the crimes that are in this Europe is even worse than other places. You understand? Or in America or whatsoever you want to say it. There are a lot of boss bass. Anyway, let's watch another one. I think I'm talking too much.
But Andrew Holness, as a politician, has proven to be resilient. Recall, and I think a lot of people forget, in 2016, the sink, the spoon, cup, plate, water, everything was thrown at him. I think people forget. He prevailed. And there has been a steady strategy of attacking him, to weaken him, tear him down. Because I suppose the idea is, if he's that popular, if he's that strong, if you weaken him, you weaken the JLP.
And the JLP has been leader-centric.
Precisely.
Always.
Right.
Thiago,
Buster,
Bustamante,
yeah, all of them.
And
Xerox, and Sangster to a lesser extent.
And I dare say in the past, the strategy has worked. The demonizing of the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, it has worked in large measure, I think.
Certainly where Siaga is concerned.
Absolutely.
Well,
Andrew Holness, by these numbers, he's proving to be resilient. He's proving that the Jamaican people like him. And I don't want us, even though I agree, it's looking very good for the PNP, to count that out. Because I think it was Jermaine who said it, or Ronaldinho, we still have an electorate that when that time comes, they say, who do I want to be the Prime Minister? And that factors heavily into how they make the decision.
Despite the attack, left and right, both bars, trying to make him a weaker man. That's why I told you guys, you need somebody that is strong. Somebody that still have the power. Imagine somebody, if you have somebody that is 70, 80 years old, and then the attack coming left and right, the person begin to weaken and won't be able to do what is elected to do. You can hear it. He has proven that his people loves him. And he has proven that he is there for his people. That despite the Bosubas, that is, despite the Bosubas, we say like that in Nigeria, despite the attack from left and right, he stands still and still have focus and knows exactly what he has been appointed to do or what he is supposed to do for his people. He is the leader and he have to stand still for himself, for his country, and for the party that have brought him out, and he was chosen by the people. So it is not from me, the Black Beauty TV. You are hearing it from the real Jamaicans. If you have not liked this video, guys, kindly like the video. We go and watch another. We just watch the PM clips. Maybe 2 clips. I will join them together. I don't know. We just watch them and then we come and call it a day.
Jamaica must stand on its own 2 feet. Nobody's coming to rescue us. Nobody's coming to give us any favors. We must do what is necessary to rescue ourselves. It is within our abilities to do it. We must recognize that you can't borrow your way to development, and neither can you tax your way to development. You have to build a strong economy and treat it like the engine of your vehicle, because it is the economy that is going to deliver the things that you need. Roads, water supply, housing, and the stipend. I keep going back to that because I need everyone here to make the link between what you desire, what you ask for, and the ability of the economy to deliver it. Because the transformation of the Jamaican from this paradoxical state of achieving quite a bit but still not achieving its true potential can only be changed into a state of realization, a state of fulfillment and manifestation of our true potential if we start to pay attention to our economy. I know that as leader of the country, as leader of the political party, many men wish death upon me.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see.
Where I am telling you, that I have been through the fire many times, and I still have the milk of human kindness. I still see my enemies, and I smile with them, and I greet them with a good hug. But I know you are an enemy, and I will never turn my back.
Shout out to the people of Jamaica. You have heard it from the horse's mouth. Nobody is coming somewhere to help you. You know what? Because in this world, nothing is free. If someone comes to help you, the person is also coming for his own gain. So you need to stand up on your own. You have to stand up and build yourself. You are not crippled. You're not going to stand and say, oh, we are not able. We want help from other people, from other countries. You will stand on your own. Because of what? Because you can make it. You can do it. You can do it. You have the power. You have the capacity. And that is why you need the youngest. The youngest. The youngest. The youngest PM in Jamaica. Anyway, guys, without wasting much of your time, what I will tell you guys now, that is the video we have for you guys. I have for you guys today. I don't want to say my fellow Jamaicans because I'm not a Jamaicans, but all I will have to say, Wagwan, my brothers and sisters in Jamaica. Much love to you all, and thank you for your love. Please, if you can comment, kindly comment. Your opinion is very, very important in this my carbon, my channel. So kindly comment. If you can share the video, show the love. Let people see the fire from the real daughter of the soil. And thank you so much. God bless you guys, and we will see you again in another video. Have a wonderful evening. It's me, the Black Beat TV, the real daughter of the soil. And I love you all. Bye-bye.